In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Google Classroom join code, whether you're a teacher looking to share your class with students or a student trying to join a class. Understanding where to find the join code is essential. Let's dive right in and explore how to locate this code quickly and efficiently, making your educational experience seamless. First off, you'll need to head to classroom.google.com. Make sure to sign in using your Google account. This is your jumping off point for everything Google Classroom related. If you've never used Google Classroom before, signing in might prompt a couple of introductory screens. Just follow those and you'll be in your dashboard in no time. If you're a teacher looking to find the code, here's what you'll do next. First, open the class for which you wish to locate the join code. Simply click on the class name and you'll be taken directly to its home page. Now focus your attention to the Stream tab. Right there, below the class banner, you'll notice a section labeled Class Code. This is where your join code lives. It's visible and ready to be shared with the students. However, there's another way to access this code. Suppose you're a little more settings oriented or prefer a comprehensive look at your class details. In that case, you can click on the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the page to open the class settings. Under the general section in settings, you will find the class code prominently displayed. Beyond just viewing it here, you have additional options, the ability to copy, reset, or disable the class code as needed. It's helpful if you wish to manage access more closely. Now switching gears to the student perspective, if you're a student, you'll need to obtain this class code from your teacher, who should provide it to you directly. It's usually a string of characters, a mix of letters and numbers. To join the class with your code in hand, look for the plus icon located at the top right of your Google Classroom dashboard. Clicking this icon will prompt you to select Join Class. Enter the class code in the provided field and hit Join. Voila! You're in the class, ready to engage with your coursework and connect with your peers. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to finding and using the Google Classroom join code, whether you're managing a virtual classroom or just getting started as a student. With these steps, managing or joining a class should be smooth and hassle-free. Feel free to revisit any of these instructions as you navigate your classes and enjoy your time learning with Google Classroom. Thanks for watching and see you next time.